ReGreen Zero Waste Compost Machine. Provides a convenient way for solving leftovers. ReGreen Zero Waste Compost Machine is an environmentally creative product that aims to improve human life and promote an environmentally friendly life attitude. The idea of ReGreen Zero Waste Compost Machine is to combine the pastoral city with the food waste and turn it into black gold. The food waste can be reused and return the good bacteria to the ground. Is light to operate, easy to clean, and without electricity. With Compost Starter, the leftovers become odorless organic fertilizer. ReGreen Zero Waste Compost Machine. Build an urban zero waste recycling system.